How to use spatial audio on your Google Pixel Buds 2a and Pro 2. Spatial audio with head tracking on Google Pixel Buds 2a, Pro, and Pro 2 brings you immersive surround sound all around when you watch a show or movie. Spatial audio works for movies and shows with 5.1 surround sound on non-A series Pixel phones, such as Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, and newer Pixel phones. To turn spatial audio on, open the Pixel Buds app and scroll down to Sound. Tap the toggle to turn spatial audio on and off. With the Pixel Buds Pro 2, you can also turn on head tracking, which changes the audio as you move your head for a more natural sound. To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Buds Help Center.